All right, so we just got the HRV mounted onto the wall. The outlet underneath is good, powered right up. And up here, we are in the utility mudroom where you enter the house, and that's the spot where the air exchange unit will be going. It's an HRV Fantech H100 Flex 100H, whatever. And that yellow wire up there is what's going to power that unit, and then I have to put all the ventilation duct up in the soffit. So you might be wondering why I'm even installing this in our pole barn house, and the reason is because we are spray foam insulating the entire inside of it to create that really airtight, watertight seal on the inside of the house. And because of that, we need fresh air to come in, and we're gonna do that on our terms with this heat recovery ventilation system. And basically we'll send out the stale air and bring in some fresh air on our terms and not have any draftiness in the house. All right, so we just got the HRV mounted onto the wall. The outlet underneath is good, powered right up. So that's where the different lines for the ductwork will go. Inside here, you've got the unit. This is the part, this is the filter that will pull out, like so. And it's got the aluminum core, it's supposed to be nice and clean and does a good job exchanging heat from inside air going out and outside air coming in. So now I'm gonna hook up the little controller device that powers this thing from down below, because we are way up high next to the ceiling. All right, so here is the Fantech H100 Flex HRV air exchange unit. I've got ductwork run all the way down to that end. That's where the fresh air will pipe into the house. This one right here will pull the old stale air from inside the house and send it out. And then I have ductwork going down that way to expel the air outside. So that is the semi-finished installation. You can see there's a condensation drain, which I'll drain down into the clothes washer drain pipe over on the other side of the utility room, over there. So I can start to spray foam insulate the soffit up here and get all this sealed in, and then we'll have our fresh air in our new pole barn house. And that's all we have for the install video for the Fantech Flex 100H HRV air exchange unit. We're looking forward to starting it up for the first time after everything's insulated, and we'll be back with an update later on our channel to let you know how that goes. Well, I hope you're